Hello, you're watching HW News. This is me, Anusha. Let's have a quick look at headlines today. A three-judge bench of the Supreme Court is hearing the review plea filed by one of the four convicts awaiting death penalty in the 2012 Nirbhaya gang rape and murder. And yesterday, the Chief Justice of India, S.A. Bobde, had opted out of the hearing a petition in the Nirbhaya case, saying that one of the advocates who represented the woman's mother is a family member. Akshay Singh, one of the five men convicted for the rape and the murder case of the 23-year-old woman back in 2012 in Delhi, had sought review of his death penalty. He has filed a petition saying that the life in Delhi is being shortened anyway due to the rising air and water pollution, he said. Now, around 60 petitions challenging the centre's new citizenship law, which has created a storm since being passed last week, the Supreme Court today issued its notice, adjourned all the matters until January. Now, all the pleas will be heard on January 22nd next. Now, moving on, the Delhi police has filed 3 FIR, the third FIR on the Selampur violence which took place yesterday in Delhi. The FIR has been filed in the connection with the incident of stone pelting in the nearby areas. So far, 6 people allegedly involved with the violence have been detained. It has been checked now if they have a criminal background or not. It has also been probed if there is an involvement of any political leader behind this violence or not. Raids continue to arrest the remaining culprits. According to the current report, Section 144 has been imposed in the Selampur area of Delhi. Now, FIR filed by the police in connection with Jamia incident states that a total of 75 tear gas shells were used by police to disperse the mob in the university campus. It also states that around 7 to 8 students and miscreants were pelting stones from the inside of the university gates. The FIR also states that the police had entered into the campus with limited force to identify miscreants and for the safety of the students. Now, meanwhile, no fresh incidents of the violence have been reported from other parts of the India, that is West Bengal and northeast parts of the country. Now, 18 policemen have been suspended a day after a murder accused was shot dead inside a courtroom in Uttar Pradesh's Bijnor. The man accused of killing 2 people was shot dead by the 3 men inside the court. A policeman and a court staff are in hospital right now. The shooting happened as the prisoner Shahnawaz Ansari was being produced in front of the Chief Judicial Magistrate at Bijnor District Court. Shahnawaz Ansari was accused in a double murder of Bahujan Samaj Party politician Haji Azan Khan and his nephew back in May. The 3 men who took out pistols inside the courtroom and shot the prisoner were chased later and arrested by the policemen present inside the court. Now, speaking on the matter of the Citizenship Act, Union Home Minister Amit Shah asserted that there was no question of going back on its implementation and accused that the opposition party of engaging in a false campaign. Amit Shah accused the opposition of creating a rift between the Hindus and the Muslims over the Citizenship Act. He further said that there was nothing against the minorities in this act, the act which was passed in the parliament last week and has received a presidential assent. Now, he added that it does not snatch away the citizenship of anyone.
और कैसे कैसे मुद्दे पर राजनीति हो, कैसे कैसे मुद्दे पर अभी हम एक बिल लेकर आए, सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट एक्ट बन गया। इसमें क्या प्रोविजन है? इसमें अफगानिस्तान, बांग्लादेश और पाकिस्तान से जो शरणार्थी आए उनको नागरिकता देने का प्रोविजन है। और पूरा समूचा विपक्ष आज देश की जनता को गुमराह करने पर तुला है। मैंने संसद के अंदर का आज फिर से कहने वाला हूं कि इस देश के किसी भी माइनॉरिटी की व्यक्ति की नागरिकता जाने का सवाल ही नहीं है। ये बिल में किसी की नागरिकता लेने का प्रावधान नहीं है, नागरिकता देने का प्रावधान है। और जो वहां अत्याचार के चलते यहां आए, मेरे सिख भाई है, जैन है, बौद्ध है, पारसी है, ईसाई है, हिंदू है, कहां जाए वो? कौन शरण देगा? और कांग्रेस पार्टी को तो मैं विशेष कर कहना चाहता हूं, ये नेहरू लियाकत समझौते का हिस्सा था जिसका 70 साल तक आपने पालन नहीं किया। क्योंकि आप वोट बैंक को बनाना चाहते हैं। जवाहरलाल नेहरू और लियाकत अली के बीच में जो समझौता हुआ था उसका पालन आज नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने किया है और लाखों करोड़ों लोगों को शरण देकर नागरिकता देने का काम किया। और मैं सभी विद्यार्थियों को भी कहना चाहता हूं कि इस बिल का अभ्यास करिए। आपके पास जो सूचना है वो ठीक नहीं है। ये बिल किसी की भी नागरिकता लेने के लिए कोई प्रावधान रखता ही नहीं है। किसी की नागरिकता, विशेषकर माइनॉरिटीज की, मुस्लिम भाइयों बहनों की नागरिकता कहीं नहीं जाने वाली है, जो भारत के पासिंदे। मैं ये अनधिकृत कॉलोनियों में रहने वाले 1731 कॉलोनियों में रहने वाले 40 लाख से ज्यादा लोगों को कहना चाहता हूं कि आपको 5 साल देरी से अधिकार मिल रहा है, तो इसका एकमात्र कारण दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री और आप पार्टी की सरकार है, जिसने देरी कर कर आज तक अनधिकृत कॉलोनियों का काम नहीं करने दिया। अगर दिल्ली सरकार 11 साल के अंदर मोदी सरकार की तरह संकल्प कर लेती तो आज ये काम कब का समाप्त हो चुका होता। और मैं श्री केजरीवाल जी को कहना चाहता हूं कि आप गलत प्रचार कर कर अनधिकृत कॉलोनियों के भाइयों बहनों को गुमराह नहीं कर सकते। यहां प्रवेश बैठा है, केजरीवाल जी डेट तय कर ले, प्रवेश वर्मा आपकी देरी का कच्चा चिट्ठा लेकर आपके साथ चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार है। जगह और टाइम आप तय कर लो। मैंने डिटेल प्रेजेंटेशन देखा है, कैसे कैसे इसको रोका गया, षड्यंत्र के तहत रोका गया, क्योंकि उनको इसमें वोट बैंक दिखाई पड़ती थी कि जितनी परेशानी में लोग होंगे केंद्र सरकार को आरोप मढ़ने के लिए मटेरियल काम में आएगा। परंतु नरेंद्र मोदी सरकार ने एक दृढ़ राजनीतिक इच्छा शक्ति का संकल्प का परिचय देते हुए इसको एक कानून बनाकर सभी कानूनी अड़चनों से बाहर निकाला। मैंने प्रेजेंटेशन देखा है, 3 बार देखा है अर्बन डेवलपमेंट डिपार्टमेंट के प्रेजेंटेशन को। लगभग 30 कानूनों को इधर उधर करके उसमें से एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव रास्ता निकालकर ये बिल जो संसद में पेश किया, आज 40 लाख लोगों को अपने घर का अधिकार देने का काम श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने किया।
Now moving on, yesterday several Bollywood celebrities have spoken up against the new Citizenship Act and have come forward in defense of students' protests they have spread across the country. Also, Tamil star turned politician Kamal Haasan slammed the centre and the ruling AIADMK over the Citizenship Act and said that his party is opposed and to propose a nationwide NRC.
It's so unfortunate that these people, when they were young, those in power, have done exactly the same thing. They have raised their voice. The young will have to be politically aware and be politicians. And there's nothing wrong with it. You make it sound like infra-dig and that is scholarly. This is omnipresence. Politics is omnipresent in their life and it affects it. They must understand it, they must question it, and they must have cognizance of politics, and they must ask those questions. And these questions, when stifled, then democracy is in dangerous ICU. They have spread the fear. It is not that they are not willing, they are concerned because most voices have been stifled. Let me come to my Tamil Nadu. Was it not a pertinent question and a pertinent agitation in Thoothukudi? How was it contained? Where was the dialogue? Did they receive the petition? Instead, they sent the police much before the violence erupted. So these kind of precedences makes them very worried. It makes a journalist like you worried when you shoot dead a journalist. It's a warning. We are not connected to it is the thing, but what have we done about it? It's just forgotten. And more such incidents happen. You don't have to be only a student to raise the question, and you don't have to be a intramural student to voice for them. I am a student, a permanent student in this society and in my chosen field, in any field. It's not a humility that makes me state that. Pragmatism tells me that I'll have to continue learning. So I am a student and I will voice for them. Our fight will be linear and towards a legal solution to it, not by what they probably think will be a best course. So let this rise and then we'll put it down and we say it's a law and order situation.
Now moving on, the opposition led by the Congress chief Sonia Gandhi yesterday met President Ramnath Kovind to express concern over the violence and the police crackdown on Jamia students. Now coming out of the meeting with President Kovind, Sonia Gandhi had said that police action inside the campus against the peaceful protest, especially women students, is really disturbing and shocking. Addressing the media, even Ghulam Nabi Azad had informed that around 14 to 15 opposition parties were part of this protest. However, they couldn't make it. Hear them out.
Representative of different parties, 12 of them, have met the president to plead with him to intervene in the situation. The situation in the Northeast, which is now spreading throughout the country, including the capital, in the Jamia University, because of the act, is a very serious situation. We fear that it may spread even further. We are anguished at the manner in which the police has dealt with peaceful demonstrations. We have the example in Delhi where the police entered the Jamia women hostel and dragged the women student out. It mercilessly beat other students, not only here in Delhi, who were demonstrating, which is their democratic right, as is our, to demonstrate. I think you all have seen that the BJP government, that the Modi government seems to have no compulsion when it comes to shutting down people's voices and implement legislations which do not seem to be acceptable to the people and to us in a democracy.
And for more news updates, log on to www.hwnews.in.